Hello students, welcome to today's lab session. Today we will continue the lab session of Python programming language. Let's start today's lab session. Question number 9. Replace all negative values in a data frame with a 0. Replace all negative values in a data frame with a 0. For that we have to create one data frame. For that purpose, we created one dictionary with key value pairs. Here key is the data 1 and the data 2. These two keys are columns of a data frame. Then we use here the values. That's a list. In this list, we use this negative values. 2, -1, 5, 8, 3, -6 for this data 1 column. Then for this data 2 column, 9, -2, 5, -4, 7, 1. These are the values. Then we pass this dictionary to this data frame, pd.dataframe dic is stored, that is where in this data frame object df1. For identifying that data frame object, we use the statement print df1. Okay. Then our question is replace all negative values in a data frame with a 0. Here 4 negative values are there. 4 negative values. We have to replace these all negative values with a 0 in this data frame. We created this data frame. Then how can we replace these negative values with 0? Here we use the syntax df1 within the square bracket. We specified this condition df1 less than 0. This is a Boolean expression. We use this Boolean expression inside the square bracket. So, it will filter the true values from this data frame object, that is df1. Okay, here only 4 negative values are the df1 less than 0. That means that values less than 0. So, here only 4 values. That all are negative values. We identified less than 0 values are negative values. So, we use this Boolean expression inside the square bracket. Inside this square bracket. So, it will return the filtered result. Which all values are satisfying this condition, that all values will be filtered from that particular data frame, df1. After that, we assigned 0 to that particular value. Okay, clear? Then we have to identify that one. For that, we use here this printdf statement. After the execution of this program, you can see like this: data 1, data 2, 0th row, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th data frame. Then here 4 negative values, -1, -2, -4 and -6. Our question is, we have to replace the negative values with a 0. For that, we use the syntax df1 within the square bracket. We specified the Boolean expression, that is df1 less than 0. Within the square bracket, that is equal to 0. Then here these 4 values are replaced with a 0. Check this one. Clear? Clear this one? Next program. Write a Python program to create the following 2 data frames storing points of a 2-player teams in 4 rounds and calculate average points obtained by each player in each round. That means 2 data frames. We have to create the 2 data frames. First team 1 performance, then team 2 performance. In this 2 players are there, 4 rounds are there. So we created team 1 performance as T1 is equal to pd.dataframe P1 and P2, that is players. P1 first player, first round point 700. second round point 975, third round point 970, fourth round point 900. Then for P2, first round point 490, second round 460, third round 570, fourth round 590. Index is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Index means that is row labels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then print team 1's performance. We created this team 1 performance. Then we can use this T1 for printing. We have to identify that one. So we used here this print T1. Okay. Likewise, we created the team 2 performance in a data frame itself. In this also P1 player and P2 player, then index values same as team 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That performance also we used print T2. We identified the performance of team 2. Then our question is calculate average points obtained by each player in each round. Average points. How can we calculate the average points? That is, in first round, P1 700 for this team 1. Then for this team 2, first round P1 1100. How can we calculate the average? That is 700 plus 1100 divided by 2. 700 plus 1100 divided by 2. That is the average point obtained by P1 in first round. Okay. Then second round, that is 975 plus 1275 divided by 2. Then third round, 970 plus 1270 divided by 2. Then fourth round, 900 plus 1400 divided by 2. Likewise, we can calculate the average points of each player in each round. For that, we can use the equation, this one, average is equal to T1 plus T2 divided by 2. Here, matching indexes are there, matching columns are there, so automatically it will add that T1 plus T2, then that value divided by 2. That is the average points scored by each player. Print average point, that is AV. In this AV variable, we can store the value of average points scored by each player. For that, we can use this type of equation. Equation means expression. In this way, we can calculate the average points. Then we used here this print statement for identifying that one. Then after the execution, run module. You will get like this, team 1's performance, that is P1, P2 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Then team 2 performance, P1, P2 columns, that is player 1 and player 2, first round, second round, third round and fourth round. Then average points scored by each player. P1 first round 900. How? This 1100 plus 700 divided by 2. Then how this 945.0? That is 1400 plus 490 divided by 2. Likewise, all the values will be calculated as average points scored by each player. Okay, clear? Okay children, write down the programs in your rough record and study very well. We will do the rest of the practical programs in the next class. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.